In this video, I'll show you how to fix TikTok not letting you send or receive messages. Let's get started. First, open the TikTok app and tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the three-line menu in the top right corner and select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap on Direct Messages. Now tap on Permission Settings and make sure message requests are allowed. If you have restricted mode enabled, consider turning it off, as it can limit messaging features. Next, go back to the settings page and tap on Free Up Space. Tap Clear next to Cache to remove temporary files. After that, check if messaging is working. You should also update TikTok to the latest version from the Google Play Store. If you're still having issues, check your account age. TikTok requires users to be at least 16 years old to use direct messages. If your account shows you're under 16, messaging will not be available. And that's it. That's how you fix TikTok not sending or receiving messages. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials.